This documentary is based entirely on publicly available information from news outlets and official statements. It aims to raise awareness and support the safe return of missing children. All details have been verified to the best of our ability. Viewer discretion is advised. In Manchester, Jamaica, a young student, Jayden Smith, went missing on September 26, 2025. His sudden disappearance has deeply affected his family, school, and the wider community. This documentary presents verified facts about Jayden's last known whereabouts, the ongoing investigation, and the community's response. Jayden, a first-form student at Manchester High School, was last seen leaving his home in the Wales district of Newport, dressed in his school uniform. Authorities were notified when he did not return home that evening. His school principal, Jasford Gabriel, described Jayden as a bright student, well-liked by teachers and classmates, whose absence has been deeply felt. The Jamaica Constabulary Force issued a high alert, mobilizing police, volunteers, and rescue teams. Searches covered wooded areas, residential neighborhoods, and key locations around Mandeville. Police urge anyone with information to come forward to assist in the investigation. Every lead is considered important in locating Jayden safely. The community of Manchester responded with vigils, prayer sessions, and organized searches. Schools, neighbors, and local leaders united to support Jayden's family during this difficult time. A local community leader stated, "This has been a challenging time for everyone, but we remain hopeful that Jayden will be found safely." Authorities continue to investigate all leads carefully. Recent reports indicate that the police are following up on verified sightings and tips from the public. The investigation remains ongoing, and officials emphasize the importance of public cooperation. The family and authorities encourage anyone with information to report it immediately. Community awareness and vigilance are crucial in helping to locate missing children safely. If you have information regarding Jayden Smith, contact the Alligator Pond Police at 8762-243-113. Jayden Smith's disappearance has united a community and drawn national attention. While the investigation continues, hope remains that he will be found safely. Information, awareness, and cooperation are key to protecting all children. Together, communities can make a difference. Thanks for watching. Until next time, walk good.